Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rihan and this is my first YouTube video. Honestly, this is not just a video for me. This is a big step in my life. Because a few months ago, I was not even confident enough to speak English like this. I had fear, I had hesitation, and I had many doubts in my mind. But today, I'm here, trying, learning, and improving. And in this video, I want to share my real journey with you. There was a time when I realized something very important. No matter how talented you are, if you cannot communicate properly, people don't understand your value. I had ideas, I had thoughts, but I couldn't express them in English. And because of that, I felt left behind, especially when I started thinking about my career. I want to go into HR. And in HR, communication is everything. Interviews, meetings, conversations, everything requires good English. At that moment, I understood. If I don't improve my English, I will miss many opportunities. That realization changed my mindset. But the journey was not easy. I faced many problems. The first problem was fear. I was scared that people would laugh at me. I was scared of making mistakes. Because of this fear, I avoided speaking English. Even when I knew something, I stayed silent. The second problem was lack of confidence. Whenever I tried to speak, I started overthinking. Is this sentence correct? What if I say something wrong? And because of this, I couldn't speak naturally. The third problem was no proper environment. I didn't have many people around me to practice English with. So I felt stuck. One day, I asked myself a simple question. Do I want to stay like this forever? And the answer was no. I didn't want to feel underconfident. I didn't want to miss opportunities. I wanted to grow. So I decided something very important. I will not run away from English anymore. I didn't join any expensive course. I didn't wait for the perfect time. I just started with small steps. I started speaking to myself in English. Yes. It felt strange in the beginning, but it helped me a lot. Then I started watching English videos, listening carefully, repeating sentences, learning new words daily, making my own sentences. Sometimes I made mistakes. Many mistakes. But I didn't stop. Because I understood one thing. Mistakes are not failure. They're part of learning. The biggest lesson I learned is this. You don't become confident first and then start speaking. You start speaking and then you become confident. Confidence comes from action, not from thinking. So why did I start this YouTube channel? Because I know there are many people like me, people who want to speak English, but feel shy. People who want to improve, but don't know where to start. I want to help those people. I don't want you to feel what I felt. On this channel, I will share my real learning journey, simple ways to improve English, daily speaking practice, useful sentences for real life, and the best part is, I will grow with you. If you are watching this video and thinking, my English is weak, I can't speak properly, then I want to tell you something. I was also like you. And if I can improve, you can too. You just need to start. A small challenge for you. I want to give you a small challenge. Today, speak in English for just 1 minute. Talk about anything. Your day, your goals, your dreams. Don't worry about mistakes, just speak. That's your first step. Remember this. Your English doesn't have to be perfect. Your courage has to be strong. Start small. Stay consistent, and you will improve. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And comment below. What is your biggest problem in English? I will read your comments and try to help you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.